I'm Stuart Tessmer. I'm a physicist at Michigan State University. I'm here to tell you about the physics of a slap shot. A slap shot is essentially a collision between the blade of a hockey stick and a hockey puck. The faster the blade is going, the more momentum will be transferred to the hockey puck, the more effective the shot will be. To get the blade moving very fast, the hockey player will put a lot of care into their wind-up, shifting their weight from backwards to forwards as they follow through on the motion. Surprisingly, on purpose, they'll have the blade strike the ice before it comes in contact with the puck. This flexes the shaft of the hockey stick, giving it potential energy. A millisecond later, that energy comes back as the stick whips forward. That further increases the speed of the blade, and it further increases the momentum transfer to the puck.